Okay, hello. I wanted to make a video about this because it's a question I get every now and then at work and outside of work. Is how to get text from website into a spreadsheet with Screaming Frog. So, for example, if you are optimizing your product texts or category texts, and you want to get a list of all the pages where the product text is missing, like on this one. Here I usually have a small text here in the top and a longer one below. But if this text is missing, that means that I have not optimized this product yet, and we can see that. So if I want to get a list of all the products that I haven't optimized, I can get that with Screaming Frog and custom extraction. So what do I do? Screaming Frog is maybe you have used it, and if you have used it a little, you know that if you just copy paste the URL here and start scraping, then you don't get any text. You get like the meta titles, meta descriptions, headings, in links, out links, and 404 pages and a lot of stuff. But you actually have to make some settings here so you can get the texts. So yeah, but you can do that with custom extraction. You find it here, custom, in the configuration, custom and extraction. So here you can set up rules. Okay, I had these already. Let's start again and I will show you. So yeah, so let's take that product text on the top. You can get them using XPath. You can enter a XPath query here and extract it as a text. But this is the most difficult part. What should I put here to get the product text? So yeah, if you know XPath, then you can easily get it, but if you don't know, you might get it anyway. So let's look at this one that I have already optimized. I need to know where this text is coming from. So I right click and go to inspect. And then I see that, yeah, where is this part I'm looking for in this code? So we can see that it seems to be this one. This one is marked. So that then it means, or it's the below one, the above one, because this is like marked. So then it means I need this part. I need to extract this part with XPath. It means that I will need this div and the class and this string that is unique for, or it's the same for every product text placed here. Then I go to my cheat sheet I basically just have these on my site. I use this all the time. It works almost for everything. One of these, so let's try the above one. Let's copy paste that. So you don't really have to like know everything about XPath, just enough to understand somehow how it's working. So this is like, yeah, I copy paste that code I have. I replace the example with the thing here. So you see here is the div and the class, and it's the same as I had here on this part. The div and the class. So that means I need to copy this middle thing. Oh, did I do now? Let's try again. Inspect. This one I want to copy. But did I get it? Let's see. No. Let's try to copy paste it again. Inspect. Edit as HTML. And like that. Copy. And then I paste it there instead of the example. So here is the query I need then. And extract as a text. We could test it if it works or add more. Let's try another one. We could also, like you can take any part of your site. We could also check my category pages. So we will also get lists of category pages that doesn't have any texts at all. So, but first we need to check what is the part that I need to copy. Let's see how it looks like. This seems to be marked. That's the header. That's everything. That's the header. But I want this part. It's again the same div and the class. Edit as HTML. Actually, I need to copy paste the same here first. So from my cheat sheet, I add this and I write category text and replace the example with where is it? It's this one. Term description. Copy and paste. And again I change this to extract text. Now I should get these texts in the when I crawl it. Let's start and see what happens. If it doesn't work the first time, try again with something else. Maybe you had the wrong part, but okay, here I have some products, and if I scroll to the right, no category text because those were the products, but here I have 4 category texts. So that means the first one, the first product, it's missing. Okay, now it only scraped 5. Yeah, but the first product, the product text was missing, but on the other ones you got them. So if I scrape my product categories, or just one of them, actually let's take this one. I think I have some settings. I have something included. Let's remove all my filters. Okay, now. So the first 3 pages are product categories. Yeah, here is a list of product categories. And then when I check, okay, here are 2 pages that doesn't have the product, the category description. So then I can export this when I scrape them all to a CSV file and then add the spreadsheet and start optimizing those. Yeah, but that's how you can extract texts and other elements to a spreadsheet. Usually I do it when I need to check what pages doesn't have a product or category text, or also if I make custom GPTs. Sometimes I scrape the whole site of any brand when I build the GPT, so that when I then teach the custom GPT and I have some content to teach it with. So that's how I do it. Let me know if it works out for you, if you are trying. And also Screaming Frog have also some guides on these ones, so you can read those. Thank you.